Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix iPhone haptics not working on your device. So guys, if you are facing this problem that iPhone sound haptics is not working on your device but you don't know that how can you fix it. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open the settings and then scroll it below and then tap on sound and haptics and then tap on haptics, and here you can see this always play in silent mode, don't play in silent mode, or never play. So guys, you have to just simply turn on this toggle from always play. So guys, after doing this you have to just simply go back and then scroll it up, and here tap on accessibility, scroll down, and here you can see this touch, so simply tap on it, and then here you can see this haptic touch, so simply tap on it, and here you can see this fast, default, and slow. So guys, you have to just simply select your touch duration as default, and after that go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that you have to just simply press and release the volume up and volume down button and keep holding the power button until the Apple logo appears. So guys, after doing this, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If that does help you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.